Ay, dapat meron. From the point of view of the President, ang mga parents dapat may liability rin pag pinapabayaan nila yung anak nila o they allow them to be used in criminal activities.
What punishment they
O,
should...
edi kulong. Or maybe they will be deprived of parental custody over the children. Eh, masakit yun. Pag tinanggalan ka ng parental custody sa mga
So
anak.
dapat ikulong din
But
yung mga...
we will leave that to the lawmakers because hindi naman...
Pero from the point of view of the spokesperson and the lawyer, dapat ikulong din yung mga magulang na nagpapabaya sa
Oh,
mga...
definitely. Ako, I'm all for that. Personally, as a citizen of this country, parents should be accountable for their children. Lalo na mga bata pa, not when they're already of age.
Is that the palace statement or your personal statement?
No, even I think the president, kasi he did it during his stint as mayor. Pinakukulong niya yung... Remember, I remember telling us during campaign, even he was president, may nakita daw siya mga bata na natutulog sa ilalim ng sasakyan. Pinahuli niya yung mga magulang. Pinakulong niya.
So can we say na sa news na this is a palace statement that the parent should be jailed for allowing...
Well, let's just say that given the action of the president as mayor, I think he is open to making the parents accountable for the criminal acts of the children. If the law says that they can be criminally accountable. Because right now, hindi pa pwede.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay.